In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air tower in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy an air tower, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, unplug or disconnect the power supply to the refrigerator. First, we need to remove the 4 shelves. To remove, lift up on the front of the shelf, then up on the back and out to remove. Repeat the same on the remaining shelves. Now, remove the crisper drawers by pulling them out until they stop, tilt up and out to remove. Next, carefully remove the 2 glass shelves on the platter pocket and the crisper cover. Now, remove the platter shelf and crisper cover by lifting up and out. Then, remove the 2 side plates by first lifting up on the front to release the retaining tab, then slide out to remove. Next, remove the pantry drawer by pulling it out until it stops, tilt up and out to remove. Now, remove the pantry drawer glass. Next, remove the pantry support by lifting up on the middle, tilting the back up, pushing towards the rear to clear the temp control, and out to remove. Now, open the water filter compartment and remove these 2 screws with a 1/4-inch nut driver. Then, firmly grab the top panel within the water filter opening and pull down. This will require some force. Be careful as it's still connected by a wire. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Then, locate these 6 locking tabs on the air tower. Place one hand behind the tower and use a flat blade screwdriver to release the locking tabs while pulling the panel towards you. Next, remove the thermistor cover by firmly pinching the top and bottom while pulling away from the assembly. Then, carefully remove the thermistor from the cover. Now, remove these 2 screws on the damper cover using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Then, while removing the cover, feed the thermistor through the opening. Next, remove the foam assembly by tilting the top out first. When shopping for an air tower, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install the air tower, first place the foam over the damper assembly. Make sure the thermistor wire is out. Align to the shelf bracket and press in place. Now, insert the thermistor through the hole on the damper cover. Press the cover into place. And reinstall the screws. To install the thermistor cover, position the cover with the wire retainer to the bottom. Snap the thermistor in place. Align the top, rotate down, and press into place. Next, insert the bottom of the air tower. Align the retaining tabs with the center shelf bracket and firmly press until all 6 tabs lock into place. Make sure the top of the tower is seated behind the ice maker compartment. To install the top panel, first reconnect the LED electrical connector. Now, insert the 3 retaining tabs on the back of the top panel to the retainers on the fridge compartment. Then, firmly press the panel up to lock into place. And reinstall the 2 screws. To install the pantry support, align the temp control mechanism and slider. Rotate the back down and set in place. To reinstall the pantry glass, simply set in place. To reinstall the pantry drawer, insert the rear at an angle onto the rails with the roller wheels aligned, tilt down and push closed. To reinstall the side plates, slide the rear retainer over the mounting stud at an angle. Then, rotate the front down to set in place. To reinstall the platter shelf and crisper cover, simply set it on the side plates and push to the back until it drops in place. To reinstall the larger glass shelf, place the back edge on the cover and carefully slide into place. Install the smaller one by resting on the platter shelf. To install the drawers, insert the rear into the rails with the roller wheels aligned and push closed. To install the shelves, insert at an angle, hook the rear tabs at the desired height and tilt down. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.